Mr. and in this episode, we're going to be creating this super cool bird. It's so cute. We're going to be making this lovely artwork with some wax crayons and watercolor paints and a thick piece of white paper. So grab those art making mediums and a paintbrush and a little bit of water, and let's make some art. Alright, let's draw a super cute bird. We're going to use some wax crayon and watercolor paints to make our bird. Let's begin with a letter V in the center of our page. We'll connect it with a curving line and then draw two nostrils. On either side, we'll draw a curving line up and over, like an upside down U. We'll thicken them up to create bird's eyes. Let's draw zigzag lines at the top for bird's head. And then we'll draw a nice big U down, around, and up for bird's body. We'll draw one line out on either side for bird's wings. And then we'll draw a curving line back to the body for the feathers on the wings. At the bottom, we're going to draw two lines out on either side. And then we'll connect with a zigzag line. And then we're going to pause here, and while you catch up on your bird, I'm going to work on the never-ending painting.
It's time for the never-ending painting.
Welcome back to the never-ending painting, the painting that I work on a little bit every single episode for a few minutes and I continue to use primary colors, and I use those primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow, to mix up all the other colors that you see. So we're going to continue to work on the never-ending painting just for a few minutes while you give your hands a break and catch up on your bird. We're going to paint in some of our details on this castle. And it's really important that you subscribe to the channel so that way you can stay tuned for each new episode, because every single week I put out a new art episode, and then you can see also, you can join me to make some new art, but also you can check out some of the cool new things that I have added to my never-ending painting. The painting that never ends, just keeps going. And if you really like this tutorial and you're enjoying making your bird artwork, make sure you like the video. That would be super cool, and I can see how many people like the artwork. Some shading on these eyes with some blue. And maybe some shading along the bottom of the body here with my blue. Sometimes it's fine to just use some primary colors and mix up your other colors and see what happens. It always makes such an interesting artwork. Add some yellow on top of this creature for a nice highlight on its body. And that's all the time we have for the never-ending painting this episode. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Let's continue working on our bird. How cute is this little bird? All right, let's grab a yellow wax crayon. Where is my yellow wax crayon? Not sure where my big one went. I do have a nice large one, but I can't seem to find it, so we'll use this guy. I'll color in our beak with our yellow. And let's color in the feet with our orange. Now we're gonna take our red and we're gonna make little dashed lines around our body to create some feather texture, and then we will paint in the rest of it with our red. But this is gonna create some nice texture on our cute little birds. And to finish it off, we're gonna paint in our birds. So I'm gonna swirl, swirl, swirl in my red paint, and I'm gonna paint right over top. And as I do, you'll see that red wax crayon resists the paint, and you can still see those cool lines that we made, and it leaves a nice texture on our bird. How cute is that? I love it. What do you think? If you love it, make sure you like this video. What a cute bird. And if you look, we're using all warm colors. Warm colors make us feel happy and energized, and it makes us feel warm inside. And warm colors are red, yellow, and orange, and we use all warm colors on our little birds. How fun is that? Warm colors, red, yellow, and orange. And once you're done, your bird is done. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, that will make you an instant member of Artastic Nation if you subscribe. And how much better does it get if you're a member of Artastic Nation? I don't know. Anyways, if you create this artwork, make sure that you share it on social media and tag me at Ms. Artastic. And if you really want to level up your art making skills and drawing skills, then head on over to www.artastickids.com. Artastic Kids is currently open for enrollment, my online streaming membership where you'll find hundreds of art making tutorials, hundreds of different art lessons with 5 new ones added every single month. Woo! 5 new art lessons every single month under themes such as insects, reptiles, food, animals, underwater, things that go, and so much more, all at artastickids.com. So head on over there, find the link in the description of the video, and I'll see you in the next episode. Oh yeah, by the way, I post a new episode every single week. Every single week, a new episode. So don't forget to subscribe or you'll miss out on creating something really cool. See you there.